Let's click Add Chapter. Let's call it the Basics. We'll select Set New Lessons to Draft by Default. When we think about the curriculum hierarchy, each chapter that we create can have one or more lessons. Checking this box ensures that we won't have any lessons go live accidentally. Click Save. We'll use the top navigation to proceed through our course setup. If we go back to the Curriculum tab, we can add our second chapter using this button along the bottom. Let's call this one Setting Up Your Channel. And one more, Creating Your First Video. So now we have 3 chapters, a skeleton of our course. We can simply drag and drop chapters to rearrange if needed. And if we click these chapter titles, we can go back and edit the names. So in this case, perhaps I want to label each chapter with a number.